In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color on your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to freshen up your store's look or align it with your brand's color scheme, changing the background color can make a significant impact on your store's appearance. So let's dive right in and make your Shopify store stand out. First, you need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Open your web browser and log in to your Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's admin panel. From here, we're going to navigate to the section where we can make these design tweaks. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the option that says Online Store and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you'll see various options related to your store's online presence. One of these options is Themes, which is crucial for what we're about to do next. Once you've clicked on Themes, you'll be directed to a page where you can see the current theme you're using for your store. This is where all the magic happens. Next to your active theme, you should see a button that says Customize. Click on it to open the theme editor. Now that you're in the theme editor, look for a gear icon in the top left corner. This icon is your gateway to all the customization settings you need. When you click on this gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various options you can adjust. What we're interested in here is the Colors section, so go ahead and click on that. In the Colors section, you'll find the controls to change the background color of your Shopify store. Depending on your theme, you might see different options for different areas of your site, like the header, footer, or main content area. Select the area you want to change and pick a new color that suits your brand. You can either choose from the color picker, input a hex code if you have a specific color in mind, or use predefined color options if your theme offers them. Once you've chosen your new color, make sure to preview it to see how it looks with the rest of your site. If you're happy with the change, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button, usually found in the top right corner of the theme editor, and click on it to apply your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color of your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can easily update your store's appearance to better fit your brand's identity or give it a fresh look. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.